Really? 2.99% auto loans? Now that's something we can get into. You know, I love it that it can help my family kick the fast food habit. It's so quick and easy to prepare healthy meals with the Magic Cooker, and all the nutrition gets locked into the food. Thanks to the Magic Cooker, you'll never have to sacrifice nutritious meals for convenience again with the Magic Cooker. Who would have thought? Fruit that tastes great and fights cancer? It's a miracle. My fruit, my body. I believe. Since 1926, Sturgeon & Beck has been a dealer you can trust, and it's closeout time on their great selection. They're offering big model year-end discounts on GMC trucks, Buicks, and Pontiacs. You'll save thousands at Sturgeon & Beck. And they guarantee that you'll always be treated fairly and honestly. That may sound old-fashioned, but they believe that some values should never change.
Playing ball with your 18-month-old might not prepare either of you for the World Cup, but it does prepare him for healthy growth and coordination. The time you spend together playing helps develop his large and small motor skills. So when he makes the game-winning save in the regional championship, you'll know it's because you were your child's first teacher.
A message from Educational Employees Credit Union and First Five of Fresno and Merced counties.
And Save Mart.
And you are playing. Ma'am.
Oh, I was just daydreaming.
You should be California dreaming.
It's Save Mart's $1 Million California Dreamin' game. Win a 2003 Escalade. Get game pieces at Save Mart and get ready for your chance to drive in style. It's no dream.